అలా
Aren't you glad I'm here? हाँ जी ये कर Thanks yeah, you mean it ना? Please get otherwise I'll watch it up. Good. There she is, that's the designer. Come here, you want to do like a picture with me? Put your bottle away. Come, take the phone. She's my designer. She's from Dubai and she has made this for me. And I had no idea what I was wearing till last night. But she's put me in this beautiful dress this morning.
She would look beautiful and everything.
Thank you. Okay, आ जाओ ले लो चलो.
Please come on and let him know.
Maybe you'll have to थोड़ा. That's it. इसके बाद खत्म ना?
Is this a face?
मैं तो यहीं से जा रही हूँ. मैं उधर से आऊँ. हाँ जी आ गई. एक सेकंड आ गई. एक सेकंड. ड्रेस कैसे दिखेगा? यहाँ पे. क्या फोटो ले चुके? ओहो. Tell me हाँ चलो.
So Nusrat, what are you doing on the professional front? We are waiting to hear from you. Good news.
I am waiting for Chori 2 to come out. It's shot, dubbed, ready. I think end of this year you'll be able to see it. I hope so, fingers crossed.
Is it going to be as scary as Chori?
It's scarier actually. I saw it and I was like, guys, okay, bye. I'm going home. I'm too scared.
प्यार का पंचनामा
जी.
उसकी सीक्वेंस और आ रही है.
मैं तो चाहती हूँ आ जाए यार, क्योंकि मेरे को कोई रोम कॉम दे ही नहीं रहा है अब सिर्फ चोरी चल रही है.
कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ आपकी जोड़ी बहुत
I know.
और आगे अगर कुछ इनके साथ प्रोजेक्ट कुछ है.
Of course हो, I hope हो. जब होंगे तब आपको सबसे पहले पता चलेगा. या 1 second. Can I? या. आगे पूछो वरना कोई और ले जाएगा मुझे. I'm coming. Yes, tell me. Hi. Yes. 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 I look back at it and I feel like I don't even know how and where I was, in which part of my life that happened to me, but it happened to me, and it's actually been traumatic. It's not been easy to get over it, which is why I've not spoken about it. But yeah, it happened. Life happens, guys. Shit happens. You get over it.
Nusrat, if there is one person that you're looking forward to meeting today, who would it be?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Like, I mean,
Can you turn the camera to yourself and
I'm
say
just
why?
asking, like, what is your reason and what, I mean,
Come
what
on,
do you
it's
tell
Shah
him
Rukh
personally?
Khan. I already did. I went on stage. I was supposed to give an award, and I said, I put the envelope on the side, and I looked at Shah Rukh sir, and I said, sir, can I just come and give you a hug? And he's like, yeah, okay, sure. Let's not give awards. I'm like, let's not give awards. And I went and gave him a hug. So that was that. I love him. I mean,
But what is the best quality about Shah Rukh Khan that you want to imbibe from him and you absolutely
listen, I want to be Anjali, and I want to be all the Kirans and everybody. In that one moment, I want to feel all the heroines that he's ever romanced, because I don't think there's anybody who romances a girl better than he does. I don't think he does. There
Will you
isn't
manifest
anyone.
one romantic film with him?
Ah, please do. Just do it right away.
Since you mentioned Anjali and Kiran,
Yeah.
it's the year of re-releases.
Yes.
Which film would you want to be re-released or watch again and again, or you can't get enough?
कुछ होता है, दिल तो पागल है, डर, अंजाम, like Shah Rukh Khan's film list for me तो is like, it's never ending. I want to watch all of them again. And I'll go also in the theatre and watch it. All right, guys. Done? Okay, see you. Yes, I'm coming right there to...
Come here.
Sir, can you just,
Yeah, I will. Certainly.
just the top.
Yep.
You know what? This time, IFA has got South Coast together and is celebrating exactly all of Indian film industry. But there's missing Pegorina Street, there's missing, Omnia films. What do you have to say about that? When do we get everybody together and see Indian film industry?
I would say that this is an impetus for us to do better work, and hopefully in the future we can all be together.
But then you remember that Bengali films, this at one point, Hindi films used to remake Bengali films. You remember?
I do.
Yes, and that was our era. And now here we are, where Bengali film industry is not included in IFA. I hope that happens soon.
I'm sure it will. We just have to work a little harder.
Rudra sir, when we talk about movies and these days, like when we say of pan-Indian movies, right? Do you believe there's a language barrier, like when you mentioned, has like I won't say like fizzled out completely. Do you think it's still there, or do you think like fan Indian movies are something that we can look forward to as an actor?
Is evaporating rapidly. Now people are used to, especially after the pandemic, they are used to watching films with subtitles, sometimes even without subtitles because cinema has its own language.
Absolutely. Who's that one star you're looking forward to meet today and like probably like meet after a long time or something in any country?
After a long time?
Yes.
My director, Mr. Karan Johar.
After a long time.
After a long time, yes.
Sir, could you tell us how was it working with Alia and Ranveer and Rocky and Priyanka?
Alright, they are humongous stars, but they are so down to earth. It's very easy to work and collaborate with them.
Is it
She is an institution. Even for a 4-line Bengali song, she used to practice 4-5 hours every day just to get the intonation and the pronunciation correct.
if you had to just say one word about Ranveer and about Alia, what would you say?
Perfect co-stars. I mean, you can't get better than that. They bring their aura, but they check their ego at the gate.
Absolutely. How was the rehearsal with Ranveer at that point of time when you were dancing together?
I was sweating. He's such a good dancer.
All right, sir.
And how do you feel about being nominated this year, sir? You have been nominated as well.
Yeah, it's an honor actually, and this is my first time at IFA, and I'm really looking forward.
And give a message to your fans in Kenya.
If I have fans in Kenya, I'm so blessed to have them, and I hope to work very hard to entertain them in the future.
Hey, sir, will we be seeing in Bollywood anytime soon now?
Next year, yes, a lot of
Is there anything we can tell about the genre of the film?
About the film, right now I'm not supposed to. Yeah, I can tell you about the name. I am working in Dil Air with Kunal Deshmukh and a couple of web series, Special Ops 2 with Neeraj Pandey and Black Warrant with Mr. Vikramaditya Motwani. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
This is Tasha Vadusha. You're listening to East FM Kenya Premier Asian Mix. Thank you so much. Yes, okay.
All our favorite songs.
Any particular one? Some lyrics they will love.
Arjun Veli. Yeah, Papa Meri Jaan.
And I love the part Pagal.
Pagal. That Vishal Mishra, he sung very well.
Very well, yeah.
And composed it. Yes,
So
yes.
when you got the brief from Sandeep sir,
Yeah.
what was that one word of brief that you got from him?
Okay,
First you.
first me. Okay, I'm Ashim Kemson. My song is Hewan in Animal. तो जब संदीप सर ने मुझे बोला गाना लिखने के लिए विदिन आई थिंक 3 मिनट ही एक्सप्लेन कि ऐसा सा गाना चाहिए और बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने लाइक कि गाना होना चाहिए कि जो थोड़ा टिपिकल पंजाबी एक्सेंट हो और थोड़ा मेटाफरिक हो मारधाड़ वाला एंड तो उस तरीके से उन्होंने बहुत ब्रीफ में बहुत थोड़े तरीके से उन्होंने डिटेल में उन्होंने बता दिया and that was his brief basically.
So music
Yes.
में आप violence कैसे add करते हो? Like how can you express music with violence?
Violence, like in the sense of like the scene.
Correct.
So how? So for example, like Abrar, when we are showing that Jamal Kudu song,
Correct.
we did. Yeah. Then after the song, immediately the transition to like different. The theme will be there with the cellos and everything. Yeah.
Does it become easier when the director knows music so well himself and he's so particular about the songs? Does it become easier for you guys?
Yes,
Yeah,
of
if we
course.
get the good, the situation and everything, no, like so it will become very easy for us to
Yes.
work on that. Yeah.
Sir, Jamal Kuru, the song was
Please.
borrowed from an
Iranian song,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So I want to know that how did that idea come about and how did that go about? How did you all know about the song?
Yeah, actually we are working on a couple of tracks actually for that marriage situation. Then Sandeep sir idea only, like he has this song actually. So that he was like having a doubt like it will suit or not, but after listening it, this will definitely work, sir. We'll work on this song because it's a new try. Yeah, yeah, it's
Yes,
a contemporary. Yeah, so it worked out very well.
Then
And
they
it's,
recreated it.
We recreated and it got very.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
So tell us about how it has penetrated our and tell us how much
Yes, well, I mean, to start with, I can definitely tell you personally myself, I grew up with Bollywood. I grew up with the Indian cinema. and it's part of our culture, I would say. So, and that's why having IFA event for the third time in a row is such a pleasure and gets us really excited. But then coming for productions, coming to us for there's so many reasons. First of all, because that the close proximity between us and India is about 2 hours. Those cultures between us, it's very similar. And everything that Abu Dhabi Film Commission has to offer and Abu Dhabi government has to offer, starting from the 30% cash rebate, which is basically on their qualifying spend, they get 50% back after the production. We have the location support in Abu Dhabi Film Commission. We have a dedicated support that we find in all their locations, and then the government support as the leaders understand the importance of such industry and what it brings, so that basically all the support that they need to bring the productions in Abu Dhabi. And we've been seeing the success over the years of all the Bollywood projects. At least we've had since 2014, not less than 13 to 14 Bollywood projects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Garmi. Hanji.
First, could you say this, please?
Hi, I am Badsha. You are listening to East FM Kenya. अभी पीछे बोल के आया हूँ. Just. Hi, I am Badsha. You are listening to East FM Kenya's Premier Asian Mix. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Badsha, you're going to meet the Badsha of Bollywood as well. What do you have to say to him today?
My legs are shaking, bro. I'm actually introducing Sir on stage.
Wow! Badsha introducing the What are you going to
Did
say?
I just say that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No, I don't know. You need to watch this. This is going to be an act and a half. Is it? Yeah, this is going to be an act and a half. Sorry.
Badsha, we are in IFA, and when we talk about movies these days and also music, truly the borders have fizzled out. What do you have to say as an artist? Does it give you a lot of advantage to do different kind of genres, kind of languages?
I think good music is good music. Doesn't matter where it comes from. And we as music listeners, we don't believe in borders. Yeah.
Badsha, when you started to rap, the genre was not very present in our country.
Yeah.
What were the challenges you faced?
No challenges at all. No challenges. You just enjoy what you do. There are no challenges.
Badsha.
Hanji.
One bite, please. So one bite, please. If I may. Please, thank you, sir.
Professor, you're down to Kenya, please.
What?
We have a fan in Nairobi, Kenya.
Kenya.
Yes.
Love you, Kenya.
Thank you.
So, Rabu sir, if there is any actor in the industry that inspires you on a daily basis, who would that be with their craft?
Oh, yeah. Everybody inspires.
Professor, what will you
Huh? Alan.
Prabhu sir, now that we're talking about Indian movies, when it comes to Indian movies, now we have moved from Hindi fraternity to becoming a pan-Indian state, pan-Indian nation. What do you have to say about this kind of transition and the...
Happy, very happy.
Is it a good time to be an actor right now? Or a director?
Always.
Always a good time.
Always it's good.
What do you have to say about IFA Utsav that happened? Yes.
What is what? Aren't you glad I'm here?
One bite.
Oh, it's great, fantastic. We had a great time and looking forward for a fantastic evening today as well.
That's it. And Janvi will do it. Janvi will do it. Janvi will do it. Nothing.
वही तो देखने के लिए आए हम लोग.
Yeah.
Rakesh sir. Can you give this mic sir, please?
music video. So we last saw Tufan in 2021, after which there's we've been waiting for a film from you. So we last saw Tufan in 2021, after which we've been waiting for a film from you. So why is it that there is a 2 year gap between films?
I am also waiting to see a film from you. It's not just you.
Also, we hear that you're starting to make a film.
I write my film, so there's a writing process involved to the making. So writing itself takes a couple of years, and then you make it. So that's why it takes more time. Say again? Vedant, you have to ask him. Where is he?
Vedant, we need you as well. Vedant, we heard.
Yes. So we're still in early stage production. We're writing, trying to get the script perfect because he likes to say the 3 things that matter most for any movie is script, script, and script. So it's been fun.
Do you have any actors in mind for the film?
We have some that we've discussed here and there, but I guess you'll see someday. It's a working title, yeah. It's a very heart-touching coming-of-age story that hopefully rekindles the relationship people have with their parents and their loved ones.
Rakesh sir, what do you have to say to him when he's heading into cinema? What do you have to say to him?
I don't have to say anything, I have to listen to him.
Every day, always.
Also, how critical is Rakesh as when it comes to giving his feedback to your work?
He's critical, but he's the most critical of his own work. So you have to take his criticism on the chin, He's so critical of his own.
Rakesh sir, as a director, these days when we see movies, do you think we get a little too critical as audiences as well? Because movies are made for entertainment. Are we forgetting that thing and we're looking for every single message from movies? Is it getting too critical? Are we looking into it too much?
No, I don't think so. I think the movies don't belong to us. They belong to the audiences. And they have 100% right to feel it the way they want to feel it, basically.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Please, Karan.
A new season of Bollywood Lives is coming back. What do you have to say about that?
I'm just saying that I'm very excited. There are 3 new wives and there's going to be a lot more drama. Just wait and watch.
Ananya told us yesterday that it's a very interesting season. So could you just talk some tea about it?
Can I be honest? I haven't watched it yet myself. And the thing is that I just know about the scenes that I have done and I'm a part of. The drama I'm part of. But what I hear is there's a lot more drama even beyond that. So obviously 7 women, what do you expect? It's not 4 anymore.
Bollywood Lives of
Bollywood
Wives has, even though it's showing a real peek into your life, there is a lot of acting for
There is no acting, trust me, we are very bad actors. It would have never made it to season 3 if we were acting. It is real. आप लोगों ने पहले सीजन में बोला था टाटा बाय बाय if you had to act. Trust me. Can't act. Yes. Oh my God, when I watched Call Me Bay, I was thrilled because I think she's done a fantastic job. She's made the whole character which can, which can go any way, actually feel pleasant and enjoyable, and I think we are extremely proud of her.
Of course I have, and they give me so much love and respect. They always tell me very soon. It's almost happened a couple of times.
I don't know how much I'm allowed to talk about the film. It's round the corner, but it's scary. I mean, it starts with a lot of fun and you think it's all chilled again and it's very cool, but Control actually makes you think. It actually, once you finish watching it, you actually sit by yourself quietly and you wonder that, what are we living? Really, it's amazing. And Vikramaditya Motwani is a fantastic director and he's just made such a beautiful, relevant film.
Bhawna ma'am, if you wanted to re-release one movie of Chakki sir, which would be that?
Tezab.
Why?
Because I love So Gaya. Love that song. Thank you.
you? কি সুন্দর লাগছে দেখতে। Okay. Hi.
Excuse me, ma'am. From Raja Ki Aayegi Barat till now, Mrs. Chatterjee, how much do you feel cinema has changed the world?
I sure have changed. I was 17 then and now I'm like 46. So yes, there has been a lot of change. And of course, audiences have changed over the decades. And what is constant, I would like to believe, is their love for me. And I can't pray for more, because the kind of love and support and the unconditional love that I've received from them over the years, that has kept me going. So I thank my fans from the bottom of the heart to help me strive harder and help me to keep bettering my skills.
Rani, you are such active ones who are doing movies like Pichli, Matani, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. Do you still believe that we need more female actors, or we need more producers to back these kind of movies and to make these movies?
Yes, I think also the responsibility lies on the audience. The more the audience will go and see these films, the more of these films will be made.
Says Adira.
Yes.
Ma'am, but do you think the audience has also changed with these kind of movies being, the kind of production that we've seen? We're seeing a lot more women-led movies, and fantastic. Do you think the audience has changed?
Of course, like from time immemorial, we've seen films that Nargis ji have done, Madhubala ji and Nutan ji. They've all done films which were always very much based from the woman's point of view. So it's not as if it's the first time that something like that is happening. It's been happening through the years, through the decades. But every decade there will come a time where people will prefer a certain kind of film for some time. But it's not as if that's the thing that keeps going on. So the audiences are eclectic. They like a different spread of films and ideas and stories. And what I have seen with my experience is, you give an audience a film with your heart, and if you're true to the genre and the film, it works with an audience. So I think it's important to always choose a script. That's what I do, because I can speak for myself. I like to choose a script that resonates with me as a woman first, as an Indian woman, something that I can play and show to the world that what Indian women are all about. Also a film that inspires and is aspirational. Because in our everyday lives, we need a story of a hero, to inspire us and to feel good about ourselves. Because we also want to better ourselves, with each day. So, especially if I take Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, for me as a mother, it was an eye-opener. For me as an Indian, it was an eye-opener to understand the plight of immigrant Indian women outside of India. We don't get to hear such stories. We do hear of immigrant stories, but this really shook me, because it was about bringing up your children. And the question that was asked as to why an Indian woman can't raise her children the way she wants to was something that shook me. Because we all women are the same when it comes to our children. We want the best for our children. And no mother in her right mind would do anything which would be detrimental to a child's growth. So for me, that was shocking. It was an eye-opener, and I wanted the story to reach as many people. And today, the fact that Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway is nominated, my character is nominated, speaks volumes of the fact that globally the film has been accepted, and people have not only related with Devika's character, but they've also given so much love, and that's why I'm here today.
Ma'am, as a mother, there's one quality you would like to follow from your character from Mrs. Chatterjee. One quality you like to like. What would those be?
So, Devika is very much like my mom. So I'm already imbibing qualities of my mom.